I say Mwakwaba. Meaning say I click video is because you want to make money online. Now videos be brave online so it's either impractical or illegal. Impractical because video you bet you say yes specific tax be most but we actually in unya. I once found this video. I'll say you can make money online by selling ebooks. Or bet you how you can create the ebooks. But so create ebooks new year. Who are you going to sell to? And if you also have a Ghana Asia system is different. And yet any way of making money online, the year you has it. And first off, why should you even listen to me at the first place? Me a jamete a year plastic chemu. This guy I'm in with income. Why should you even listen to me, taking advice from me on how to make money online? And the reason is that I've been doing this for a long time. And how to make money online, I can say for the first say, there is no single method of making online. I mean, try it. The papa money bonny meaning I'm try beer. I can say for the first time I try almost 99% of it. And this is the reason why you should listen to me. I'm going to make sure the methods that works and the method that do not works now. I mean, small story be chill. So if you don't want to listen to the story, you can just skip kakrebi. What I say, Makoti Yakano. With the time stamp number 2 as here, just skip. So anyway, I started this journey of how to make money online in somewhere 2017. And that time actually, I just got from Abetonque. Many so crack. Me yes, some small research when I'm who say, oh Charlie, I say blogging or to me blogging. And I'm here fast. Naja, more phone to you when I'm chassis and I'm called blogger.com. I'm here, then I'm creating a website. I'm chassis feeding on stories. Me wow, yeah. Beneden got to floor. Manisu crack, said the mistake and the website me change the design every single time. Bia, Nemanam the kicker count tabs be one am the shame. What I say, me logo, I'm the sound logo, na me ye na me editing, na me ye. Okay, so along the way, and I'm creating AdSense account that time. I think say, and also now 2017, man, as I get into the 2018, that ending of that year, I'm creating AdSense and I'm accepting. So more money AdSense and AdSense here, acquire the first the choka, a AdSense company YouTube for there, and I say Google for there. Sorry, a Google for there now. AdSense a method of where you tria or kabi. And ebia only blog and our website be I say we integrate AdSense. AdSense blog no so. Samsung over YouTube has here before so be video ebia ad be player and who video be now over as ad player. A show say skip later no. Ad no. More places that ad no. AdSense for. That is the way of us creators, content creators. So me create blog now, me apply for AdSense no mo Jimmy to naja. Day. Shall so much maker. Naturally, omo Jimmy to me, many a job in the day got for. Many a say bit maker. So me ko share so many corner we no much maker MSA by $0.1 and it became a hat. Na $0.1 saying, because me share effort I might put it into this blog creating this website and I might design me we now make $0.1. So it didn't sit well with me at that moment. So me a research be and I'm say in order for you to get more money from AdSense, you have to drive traffic to your website. So me some small research be how to drive traffic to my website. Then I realized, say, okay, I can create a YouTube channel and drive that traffic to that blog. No, it's me create YouTube channel. And yes, that channel way. I create a YouTube channel. No, that YouTube channel I'm creating and now me might say, me this YouTube channel na then that drive traffic I come the blog. No, inti me want to kakra na me drive traffic kakra. But still results me the same. And that YouTube channel no campo me only 30 subscribers per. I mean, almost a year. The corner we no 32 subscribers per. So I have a boom there by. So me might say major, because when you are there was a me. But the bar online, people made it so easy. It's my expectation was super. So I thought say be the first month or my second month, my third month, can be a benya. I mean, $50 be. So only I come there want to be. But I realize say the music can sanity. So I tried different way of making money online. Method P na me be survey apps na me be freelancing. bibia e koso bia na me bi. Dodo na I end up not getting what the creator said in the video, and I say in the blog, no see the music kind, and this makes me qualified enough to tell you wow, me to see no. So when you're beginner, now you are looking forward to make money online. I can tell you for a fact, say I've been through it all, except maybe as I'm two maybe I mean yes, I've been through it all. In this video, so my catch that much of ways that works and ways that do not work. The way that works, it does so. The story need maybe for now, cause story need too long. The mess over share video in be show the method that works, and the method that works in the doso. A list be brave. It's mebo back one and me so. Now the account. Me pe article be a listing in na me the ni na ide. At the description as it. So check the description for the list. Na wahwe. What you see back the person we know. Must stick it to it. And they also think when they say nothing good comes easy. Say the money seem like say as I don't know 80 be far phone and as far away na papa no when Charlie any bet and I say any BBO say a bet yes investing platforms via or more some schemes be quite some schemes be pyramid scheme be some debe and nobody different but yes the way to make money online, the proper way to make money online, Charlie, it takes time and it works, but it takes time. So, with the list, ever to a description as a bit much check it out, know how to make money online, the proper way that works. And I methods are here, man. Opa, no stick it to one and I'm you be. What you said, one as a so, they kind of affiliate marketing. Yes, a year, Juma. They also be a freelancing, a year, Juma. Some savvy apps and our services, so it be a Juma. Creating content on YouTube, blogging, any other, that's the way I use. So listen to the doors, meet me in the same security. Team so much check our description as an choose the open article be a come or detail be a come and I'm talk see amamo. So that is it with this video. Intimation, if you're looking for ways to make money online, I will talk about more ways to make money online, the ways that work. Coming future, and I'll probably be talking about the ways that do not work. So they said you won't waste your time on those videos and I say those articles that tells you to make money online. Now maybe a channel data and anyway, the name is HY and you know exactly how we do it. Thank you for watching this and see you in the next one.